Good morning everyone! Ngayon, eto na naman tayo. Ipapamper naman ako ng aking friend. Alam mo na, BFF ko. Lalagyan niya tayo ng eyelashes. So, tingnan natin ha. Before, mamaya after. Before muna to. Before muna, tapos after mamaya. Tingnan natin ang difference. O, diba? Yan. Popos ko lang. Ayan.
Look up. Just chin up. Like that. Relax. Relax. To move. Because you wanna be look.
What is this you putting? Glue?
The one. Yeah, glue.
The glue? Okay, you're putting a glue. So we're gonna put an eyelashes, okay, everyone? That's what we're doing. If you are thinking, what are they doing?
Chin up. You okay? I got you.
Mm-hmm.
No, don't blink. Guys, malikot siya. Malikot siya sa aparato niya. No, you're gonna be okay. Okay. Yeah, ready. Like that. Good.
Ayan, nilagyan niyo muna ako ng glue, okay? Baka nag-wondering kayo kung anong ginagawa na. Ayan na.
I think you have to move. You have to do this. No. Yeah, there.
Ano?
No, just the front there.
Like that?
Yeah. Perfect.
Ayan, isa. Isa. Teka, dalawa. Tatlo. Gusto mong gumanda, magtiis. Ito ang tinatawag lang, tiis ganda. 4. There you go. Kita nyo nung lumalabas na o gumaganda na. 5. Guys, pang-6 na yon. Pang-6. Guys, complete na yung kabilang mata. Ito na siya. Yeah. Anong size nilagay mo?
12, 11, and 9.
12, 11, and 9. Yan. May number po sila. Ko. Napapaiyak na ako.
Go.
Yung isa kong mata. O, di ba maganda na? Isa na lang. So, ang tinatawag nilang tiis ganda. Naluluha na ako. O, di ba? Daw to. Mukha kong kirat nga. Mukha na akong kirat. The second eyes, guys. Okay. So, wait. Watch and see. Tingnan natin to. Tapusin na natin, ha? Yan na, guys. Tapos na. Yan na yung mata natin. Before and after. Wala pa rin pinagbago. Di pa rin ako gumanda. Pero okay na. Ganun talaga. Basta maganda ang ang kalooban mo. Yun ang importante.
Let me see. You're not.
Ayan na. Ang beauty eyes. Beautiful eyes. Ni Aling Rosa. Diba? Pag ganun! Gawang BBL.
Diba?
Cosmetic ni Tess Ventura Long. Dinala dito sa New Zealand. Ayan, kita nyo naman, oh. Pasensya na kayo. Ayan, mata ko. Ganda na. Magbe-makeup na tayo ngayon. Para gumanda naman, dagdagan natin. Di ba? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you, Tess, for my beautiful eyes. Thank you for BBL to make me beautiful. Oh, di ba? To make me. Thank you so much, Tess, for my beautiful eyes. Now we have to put some makeup now. I'll get after my eyes. Let's go make some beautiful. Thank you. Thank you guys for the love and support. Bye for now. Mwah.